How to fix can't run promotions on Instagram. If you've received a notification saying your Instagram can't run promotions, then it might be because your Instagram has been restricted. Now, to solve how to fix can't run promotions on Instagram, let's get started. So go ahead to your Instagram. Now, if you look at the very bottom, you'll see your profile icon at the bottom right corner, so click on that. So go ahead and click on the three bars at the top right corner and go to settings. Now you'll see your account at the very middle of the screen. Now if you go to account and go to account status, then it will show you here what the problem was and why your account was restricted. And you can take a screenshot, or you can learn whether or not that was by mistake or what you did wrong. And if you felt it is for no reason, or if it was a mistake, then you can always submit a request to Instagram. So you can go back, go ahead and press on this help button and go to report a problem. So you can shake your phone where you saw the problem, or you can just report it without shaking. And if you want to include the logs and diagnostic, you can go include and continue, but I'm just going to press don't include and continue. So you can take a screenshot of your account being restricted, where your promotions are disabled, and you can say my account has been mistakenly restricted and promotions have been disabled. Please help me fix this as soon as possible. And you can upload your screenshot and press send at the very top right corner. So that is how to fix can't run promotions on Instagram.